Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Because like, comment and subscribe is free. So that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about LC Asset Manager to offer crypto ETF using a liquid liquidity for action. The CEO of Monos Harm Asset Management says the liquidity approval represents a significant step forward for both the airfreight industry and retail investors. Australian asset manager Monod from Asset Management has landed the country first Australian financial services license for a spot crypto exchange traded fund. Speaking to Connect Group, JV Fair, CEO of Monod from Asset Management, said the AFSL approval is significant, as until this point, a profit crypto ETF in Australia only operate under General Financial Asset Authorization and only indirectly hold crypto assets. You noted that monochromes crypto ETF, on the other hand, will directly hold the underlying crypto asset and is specifically authorized by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission to do so. The monotone executive said the approval represents a significant step forward for both the outfit industry and retail investors. We see such being a good thing for investors, particularly when dealing in the regulated space, as not all offerings are equal. Investors investing in monochromes ETF will know that their funds are investing directly in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and importantly, within the regulatory rules established by a SEC specifically for crypto assets. He said, at this stage, there is no frame that when the mature Bitcoin ETF will be made available, but is expected in September 2022, and the PDS and the MD have been issued and subject to regulatory approval. When the ETF are made available, Year says Monotone will focus on BTC and ETH because they are the only two crypto assets currently identified by ECs being suitable for retail ETF exposure. Over time, and as the market matures, we will take an open-minded approach to make new products available. Yes, maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because I always talking you about cryptocurrency. Well, see you.